Okay guys, I'm back. I got two sections polished. This is the first side. First we'll say original paint, horrible. This is the first side. We did V34 with a yellow buff and shine pad. Very good correction, decent finish, but again, those holograms are kind of strange. I've actually never seen those from a DA before, but I suppose they are possible with the right compound. I guess it's a mild form of hazing from the compound more than it is holograms. I guess because it's a DA, it's not supposed to do that. But if you watch and go over to here, this is in the orange pad. Very, very similar correction abilities. And I'm looking very hard, and I think maybe that could be possibly residue. I kind of wipe this off really fast using IPA. That's 1:1, 91%. But I would say it definitely finished better, you can see. It pretty much corrected the same amount of defects. I would say that you may run into an instance where you need to use the yellow pad to get something really deep, but I would say the orange pad is a good starting point. You could almost call it a day right there. I checked it out under the work light too, and there's basically 99% correction. Now this paint is crap. When I say that, you could probably wet sand it. It's got like a ton of orange peel and all that kind of good stuff. But as far as like top end swirls go, you could probably do a one step with this V34 on an orange pad and get away with it for lighter colors and colored metallic. I would say on black, probably not. I do have to say this. I used a Hex Logic pad for this. I don't think that's going to affect the results because I think the foams are very similar, if not the exact same. Dusting with the orange pad was not as bad. Very, very little, almost nothing as far as that goes. And I think mostly is because the orange foam is a little bit softer and allows it to soak up product a little bit. So anyway, again, that's the yellow pad. That's the orange pad. That's original. So pretty impressed. My initial opinion of this was that it didn't cut enough, and I think that may be because a couple options. Maybe it was my paint on the Mustang, maybe different. It's black, so it shows everything. Also, I've come a long way as far as technique and knowledge goes, detailing wise, since I first bought the optical polishes, which is a long time ago. So anyway, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this and try V36, which is like their medium grade, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna pull the tape off so you can see a difference between all three. I also did the V38 over here. Once I'm finished, what I'm probably gonna do is on each section, on this section and this section at least, go straight from V34 to V38 to see if you could do a two-step with pretty much perfect results. We'll see how that goes. But as you can tell, it's pretty sweet results. It's kind of hard to really see it in the video, but anyway, I'm going to go do this third section.